Hello, this is Mrs. Lew. Let's look at this maths question. In the diagram above, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle XUV. Given that all these measurements over here, find the value of x. So we have this is 6, and this whole thing is 6 plus x, whereas this one is x here. And XV is 8, VY is 4 cm. So we know that XY is 12 cm. And since XYZ, which is over here, okay, is similar to XUV. Okay, so I've redrawn the triangle, the similar triangle. So you see that XU corresponds to XY, XV corresponds to XZ. And since we know that XYZ is similar to XUV, so we know this side 6 corresponds to 12 and 8 corresponds to 6 plus x. So therefore we can find the value of x. Okay, let us do the calculation now. So 6 over 12, okay, this side corresponds to this side. Then 8 corresponds to 6 plus x. So we cross multiply. Okay, so hence x is equals to 10. Okay, so by using similar triangles, we can tell that x is equals to 10 cm. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.